Are you ready to turn your cozy living room into a spine-chilling, Halloween-ready masterpiece? Imagine walking into a room where every corner whispers eerie tales, yet looks stunningly stylish. Want some easy ideas to transform your space for the spookiest night of the year? Stay tuned because today I'm sharing the best Halloween living room decor ideas that you won't want to miss. How can you make your Halloween living room decor both stylish and scary? The key to Halloween decor is finding the perfect balance between spooky and chic. Here's how to get the best of both worlds. Incorporate vintage pieces. Mix in old-fashioned, antique-looking items like candelabras, vintage mirrors, or worn books. These add a Gothic charm to the space while keeping it elegant. Stick to a monochrome palette. Instead of overwhelming the room with bright colors, go for blacks, whites, and grays. This sleek color scheme will create a sophisticated yet spooky atmosphere. Add touches of glam. Use metallics like silver or gold accents in your decor. Metallic pumpkins, skulls, or candle holders can elevate your Halloween setup without making it too kitschy. Think your friends would love these chic and spooky decor tips? Share this video with them. What are some simple, yet effective ways to bring Halloween vibes into your living room? If you want to dive into Halloween decor without too much effort, there are a few simple tweaks that will make a big impact. Play with lighting. Switch your regular lights with orange, purple, or dimmed lighting. String lights or lanterns can add a mysterious, eerie glow to your living room. Add spooky throw pillows. Swap your regular throw pillows for ones with Halloween-themed designs like pumpkins, ghosts, or witchy symbols. It's an easy way to bring in the festive vibe. Drape black or cobweb curtains. Replace your usual curtains with dark black ones or those covered in faux cobwebs to instantly give the room a haunted house feel. Love these easy tips? Hit the like button if you're ready to spook up your space. How can you make your Halloween living room decor both stylish and scary? The key to Halloween decor is finding the perfect balance between spooky and chic. Here's how to get the best of both worlds. Incorporate vintage pieces. Mix in old-fashioned, antique-looking items like candelabras, vintage mirrors, or worn books. These add a Gothic charm to the space while keeping it elegant. Stick to a monochrome palette. Instead of overwhelming the room with bright colors, go for blacks, whites, and grays. This sleek color scheme will create a sophisticated yet spooky atmosphere. Add touches of glam. Use metallics like silver or gold accents in your decor. Metallic pumpkins, skulls, or candle holders can elevate your Halloween setup without making it too kitschy. Think your friends would love these chic and spooky decor tips? Share this video with them. What are some unique Halloween decor items that will stand out? Tired of the usual decor? Here are some unique pieces that will definitely make your living room stand out this Halloween. Motion-activated props. Surprise your guests with spooky motion-activated decorations. From ghosts that float to skeletons that cackle, these props will bring your space to life, literally. Oversized spider decorations. Go big with huge spider decor, whether it's giant wall decals or plush spiders hanging from the ceiling. These creepy crawlers are sure to catch attention. Custom Halloween signs. Design your own spooky signs with quotes like, "Welcome to the haunted house," or "Beware, enter if you dare." Personalizing your decor makes it even more special. Drop a comment below if you have any unique Halloween decor ideas to share. How can you decorate for Halloween on a budget? Halloween doesn't have to cost a fortune. Here's how to get the haunted house look without breaking the bank. DIY cobwebs and spiders. You can create creepy cobwebs with cotton or yarn and make spiders from black pipe cleaners. Hang them in the corners for an easy, affordable spook factor. Use nature. Collect fall leaves, branches, or pine cones from your yard to use as centerpieces or mantle decor. Spray paint them black for an extra eerie touch. Dollar store finds. Hit up your local dollar store for affordable Halloween decorations. From spooky candles to fake blood, you can get a lot of bang for your buck. Want more budget-friendly decor ideas? Be sure to check the description for more tips. How can you involve the whole family in decorating the living room for Halloween? Halloween is all about fun, and it's the perfect time to get the family involved in decorating. Here's how you can make it a group activity. DIY crafting station. Set up a crafting station with supplies like construction paper, glue, and markers. Have the kids create their own spooky decorations like bats, ghosts, or pumpkins. Family-themed decor. Go for a theme that everyone can enjoy, like Haunted Carnival or Witch's Lair, and assign each family member a section of the room to decorate. Pumpkin carving contest. Make decorating interactive by holding a pumpkin carving contest. Everyone can display their pumpkin in the living room, adding a personal touch to the decor. For more fun family activities, don't forget to check out my playlist in the description. What are the best ways to create a haunted living room atmosphere? Want your living room to feel like it's straight out of a horror movie? Here's how to create a haunted ambiance that will give your guests goosebumps. Fog machines. A fog machine can instantly make your room feel eerie. Set it up near your entryway for a spooky surprise as people walk in. Creepy sound effects. Set the mood with a playlist of creepy sound effects like creaking doors, howling wind, and distant screams. It'll make your space feel like a haunted house. Haunted portraits. Swap out your regular wall art for haunted portraits that change faces depending on where you stand. These are a fun and creepy way to surprise guests. Subscribe to my channel for more hauntingly fun Halloween decor ideas. So there you have it. Whether you're going for spooky, stylish, or just plain fun, these Halloween living room decor ideas are sure to transform your space into the ultimate haunted house. Now that you know all the tricks, it's time to start decorating and get ready for a fantastic Halloween night. Check the description for all the products featured in this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more spooky inspiration.